Hey everyone, I'm Howard Pinsky. Ever since XD added video support, I've been adding them to just about every design I can, but occasionally I'll run into a format that isn't accepted. And knowing many of you run into this as well, here's a tip you might find helpful. Over on Adobe Express, there's a super handy quick action to convert your videos to MP4s, amongst other tools which I'll be covering in future videos. Once launched, drag and drop or browse for your file to kick off the conversion. And while it's uploading, you can even trim and mute the video. All there is left to do is download. And now that it's an MP4, you can pop it straight into XD to continue your designing. Hopefully this helped you all. Be sure to subscribe for more content, follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you all next time.